Hey guys, so today putting in a heating element in a bathroom fan exhaust. So hoping this one works a little better than the last one. I just had this one replaced the exact same part, and it literally lasted 2 days. And it burned out or something. So this is how you replace it. I already pulled the other one out, but it just pretty much goes in like this. Got this at the side, just kind of put it at an angle and then let it go down in there. Okay, and then you can turn it over here a little bit. Make sure that these sides are lined up on this side. And should be about right. You want these to come through here. There should be a little screw that lines up there. This particular item goes over that like that. It's a little plate. And then you got these 4 little screws, 2 on this side, 2 on the other. Should hold it nice and securely. When you do take this out, it's a good time to get it all cleaned up. Make sure it's free of dust and everything like that. Super helpful, and also when you turn it on, it's not going to smell like burning dust or whatever. So this item, I think it runs about $32, 30, 20, 25, 30, something like that on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys need to order the part for this. So I'm hoping that last one was just an anomaly, because I bought this, it's a Nutone fan, I'm sorry. And it probably lasted 4 years, I'm guessing, the other element. And then this one came in. I had the same one that purchased, lasted not even 2 days. Like I said, it started going out. So just to get all these tightened down, that's all there is to it, to getting that heating element back in there. So, and then this one, there's a plug-in in the ceiling, and it just plugs in to, this plugs in the ceiling, and this plugs into your fan here like that. So that's all there is to it. It's a fairly simple installation. And now I'm going to go show you guys how to put this back into the ceiling fan. GoPro, stop my video.